Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
You begin by choosing the result cell and typing the formula directly. Type equals, click the first number, then a minus sign, then the second number. Press enter to get an immediate result. Once done, make sure to use $ for absolute references if you'll copy the formula across rows. You're doing this to keep one operand fixed. Also remember you can type numbers instead of clicking cells, but cell references keep results dynamic when inputs change. Now expand to many rows or columns. Enter equals A2 B2 and drag the fill handle to copy the pattern. Excel adjusts references automatically. If you need several terms, write equals A2 B2 C2 or use equals A2 plus SUM, B2, C2 to keep things tidy. Once done, employ parentheses to enforce order, for example equals A2 B2 C2, which prevents ambiguous results. Make sure relative and absolute references are correct before copying to prevent subtle miscalculations across the dataset. Finish by cleaning results and handling errors. If you need static numbers, copy the result cells and paste special as values. If Excel shows hash value, inspect the offending cells. Often text or stray spaces are the culprit, so trim or convert text to numbers. Once done, proactively use isNumber or value functions to validate inputs and wrap calculations in IFR to display friendly messages. Make sure to save your workbook and verify a few manual calculations to confirm accuracy.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.